So, how do you know when the $5 Michael boxes are available? Well, in this video today, I'm going to keep it real with you, and I'm going to tell you how I know when the $5 Michael boxes are available, all right? Okay, so before I get into telling you how I know when the $5 Michael boxes are available, I want to back it up a little bit and tell you what exactly a $5 Michael box is, okay? So when you go to Michael's, they have boxes or bags that are only $5, okay? Now, you do not know what's inside of them, so you basically taking a chance. And they look like this, okay? So when I go because I want ribbon and flowers. So I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll be trying to check out the box. I'll come over here and try to look in there, okay, and lift up the box and kind of shake it around to see if it got flowers and ribbon, okay. So that is what a $5 Michael's box or bag is, okay. Now, how I know when Michael's have the $5 boxes is YouTubers. I pay attention to people on YouTube because they be on it when it comes to clearance events. You know, like when Walgreens have the 90% off sales, all that stuff, they be on it. They let you know when, hey, Michael's got the boxes, they be on it. So that's how I know when Michael have the $5 boxes, okay? So once I find that out, I'll call my Michaels and see if they have any boxes available, okay? Because sometimes they don't have that many. They have like one or two. And then other stores, they'll have a gang of them, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. Now, the people who I like watching for us to find out when the deals are, the clearance events, or in this case, the Michael boxes and all that good stuff. Free coupons by Karen, Christie's Connections, and Priscilla Budgets. They be on it, okay? So I just want to throw that out there to you so you guys will know. And oh yeah. Let me open the box so you can see. Boom, there it is. Okay, so I also want to actually grab some stuff out of here because I am going to make a gift basket using the stuff in here. All right, so we got this weird looking thing. It's kind of dusty. We're going to clean that out. I'm going to rock with that. And I am actually going to also rock with these. So I need y'all to stay posted. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos so you'll know when I make the basket using these items. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.